The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 and Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 were unveiled at the Galaxy Unpacked event on Wednesday. The Galaxy Z Fold 3 will be the successor to the Galaxy Z Fold 2, replacing the Galaxy Z Flip 3, Galaxy Z Flip, and Galaxy Z Flip 5G. Both new foldable phones come with Samsung's water-resistant IPX8 build made of aluminum. The Galaxy Z Fold 3 and Galaxy Z Flip 3 also come with Corning Gorilla Glass Vitus protection. Samsung claims to have redesigned the layer structure and increased the length of the flexible displays available in the newer models by 80% with the new protective film over the previous foldables. The Galaxy Z Fold 3 also has S Pen support, first in the company's foldable phone portfolio. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3, Galaxy Z Flip 3 price, availability. In the US, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 is priced at $1,799.99 approximately Rs. 133,600. The phone will be available in Phantom Black, Phantom Green, and Phantom Silver color options, and you can also choose from 12GB plus 256GB and 12GB plus 512GB storage configurations. In contrast, the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 starts at $999.99 Rs. 74,200. The phone will be available in cream, green, gray, lavender, phantom black, pink, and white. Gray, pink, and white color options are available for Samsung.com website only. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 and Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 will be available for purchase from August 27th in select markets around the world, including the US, Europe, and South Korea. Pre-orders start today. However, details about the price and availability of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 and Galaxy Z Flip 3 in India have not been revealed yet. Customers who pre-order phones will receive 1 year of Samsung Care and coverage, which includes accidental damage, including screen replacement, water loss, and back cover replacement. To give some insights, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2 launched in the US in September last year for $1,999. It went on sale in India. Storage option. Meanwhile, the Galaxy Z Flip reached $1,380 in February last year. In addition to the regular variants, Samsung has teamed up with American fashion designer Thom Browne to pre-order the Galaxy Z Fold 3 and Galaxy Z Flip 3 Thom Browne edition in select markets today in limited numbers. Price details of the limited edition models were not given at the time of filing this story. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 features. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 runs on Android 11 with a UI on top. It has a 7.6-inch primary QXGA Plus 2,208x 1,768 pixels, Dynamic AMOLED 2x Infinity Flex display with 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate, 22.5, 18 aspect ratio, and 374 ppi pixel density. The phone also has a 6.2-inch HD Plus 832x 2,268 pixels, Dynamic AMOLED 2x display with a 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate, 24.5, 9 aspect ratio, and 387 ppi pixel density. The displays are the same size as the Galaxy Z Fold. However, Samsung has increased the resolution this time around to give better image results. The cover screen of the new model has also been upgraded to a 120 Hz upgrade rate. Under the hood, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 has a 5nm octa-core SoC with a maximum clock speed of 2.84 GHz. Qualcomm is expected to be the Snapdragon 888, but the company has not yet revealed the exact name of the SoC. The Galaxy Z Fold 3 comes with 12 GB of RAM as standard. For photos and videos, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 carries a triple rear camera setup that was available on the Galaxy Z Fold 2 last year. The camera setup includes a 12-megapixel primary sensor, f/1.8 wide-angle lens and optical image stabilization, OIS, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide shooter, a 12-megapixel sensor, and a telephoto lens with dual OIS support. It also offers 2x optical zoom and up to HDR10 and recording. The Galaxy Z Fold 3 also comes with a 10-megapixel camera on its cover for selfies and video chats. It is paired with an f/2.2 lens with an 80-degree field of view. Additionally, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 has a display camera on top of its foldable screen. It's one of the most competitive folding phone USPs, designed to deliver a full-screen experience without distractions. The camera has a 4-megapixel resolution and an f/1.8 lens on the top. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 comes with 256 GB and 512 GB of UFS 3.1 storage. Connectivity options include 5G, 4G LTE, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth V5.2, GPS/AGPS, NFC, ultra-wideband, UWB, and a USB Type-C port. The phone also comes with a side-mounted fingerprint sensor. Samsung has added S Pen support to the Galaxy Z Fold 3 and designed 2 new S Pen models in collaboration with Wacom. These are called the S Pen Fold Edition and the S Pen Pro. The former is exclusive to the Galaxy Z Fold 3 and has no Bluetooth connectivity. It supports Air Command gestures and has a pro tip. The latter is compatible with all Samsung devices that have S Pen support and comes with Bluetooth connectivity. The S Pen Pro works with Air Command as well as Air Actions and includes a USB socket for charging. Users can also switch the S Pen Pro between multiple devices by pressing a button on the stylus, or can pair a new device by clicking on the pairing key. The new Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 packs a 4,400 mAh dual-cell battery that supports both wireless and wired charging and enables reverse wireless charging. The battery also has 2.5W fast charging support through compatible chargers. The phone measures 67.1 x 158.2 x 16 mm when folded and 128.1 x 158.2 x 6.4 mm when unfolded. It weighs 271 grams, that is 11 grams lighter over Galaxy Z Fold 2's weight of 282 grams. Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 specifications. Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 runs on One UI, based on Android 11. It features a 6.7-inch primary Full HD Plus, 1,080 x 2,640 pixels, Dynamic AMOLED 2X Infinity Flex display with 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate, 22:9 aspect ratio, and 425 ppi pixel density. The size of the primary display is identical to last year's model, though it comes with a better pixel count. The phone also has a larger cover display of 1.9-inch size that has 260x512 pixels resolution and 302 ppi pixel density. The Galaxy Z Flip had a 1.1-inch display with 112x300 pixels resolution and 303 ppi pixel density. Samsung has provided a 5nm octa-core SoC on the Galaxy Z Flip 3 that has a maximum clock speed of 2.84 GHz. Just like the Galaxy Z Fold 3, you can expect it to be Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 as well. The SoC is paired with 8 GB of RAM as standard. In terms of optics, Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 has a dual rear camera setup that carries a 12 megapixel primary sensor with an f/1.8 wide-angle lens and OIS, along with a 12 megapixel ultra-wide shooter. The phone also comes with a 10 megapixel selfie camera on top of its folding display with an f/2.4 lens. Overall, the camera setup on Galaxy Z Flip 3 looks quite similar to what we had on the Galaxy Z Flip. Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 comes with 128GB and 256GB of UFS 3.1 storage. Connectivity options include 5G, 4G LTE, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth V5.2, GPS/AGPS, NFC, and a USB Type-C port. The phone also includes a side-mounted fingerprint sensor. Other sensors on board include an accelerometer, ambient light sensor, geomagnetic, gyrometer, Hall sensor, and a proximity sensor. Samsung has provided a 3,300 mAh dual-cell battery on the Galaxy Z Flip 3 that supports 15W fast charging and is compatible with Qualcomm's Quick Charge 2.0. The phone also supports wireless charging and reverse wireless charging. It measures 72.2 x 86.4 x 17.1 mm when folded and 72.2 x 166.0 x 6.9 mm when unfolded. This shows that you'll get a slightly slimmer build over the Galaxy Z Flip that had 17.3 mm of thickness when folded and 7.2 mm of thickness when unfolded. Nevertheless, the weight of the Galaxy Z Flip 3 is identical to the Galaxy Z Flip as both are of 183 grams.